Hi peeps, and welcome back to my channel. It's another city girl here, tuning in with another video. Before we begin today, if you're new here, my channel provides luxury and lifestyle content. Please subscribe to my channel to be notified of when new videos are being posted. So jumping into today's video, it is an unboxing of the summer 2020 CauseBox. A little bit about the CauseBox. It is a quarterly subscription box that features brands and items dedicated in doing good around the world, hence the name CauseBox. I am an annual subscriber and I thought that I will unbox this one with you guys. So every CauseBox comes with a magazine, and in this magazine there's little articles that talk about the products that is featured and included in that CauseBox for that season. Furthermore, it also includes the value of each product, so you really get your bang for your buck for paying for a subscription box that is about $50 American, and you're getting over about $200 value of products. The other neat thing is that, of course, each product has a cause, and the idea is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. So finally, I'm going to open the little tissue and show you what I got in this season of the summer 2020 CauseBox. So every season, the CauseBox features a different artist that does the little sticker. There's a little postcard as well as the exterior of the box. For the CauseBox Summer 2020 box, it features the artist Anna Kovexis. And the artwork around this is about summer, the summer to-do list, things we get to do, enjoying the sun, reading, gardening, and so on. And the next item that we are going to look at and open will be the PMD Beauty Cleaning Device. This is a facial cleansing device that helps you firm up your skin while you clean, and apparently it's very well loved by beauty connoisseurs online at the moment, and it has a $99 American value. So the device comes in 3 different colors, in blush, navy, or teal if you are an annual subscriber, and I've chose the teal color, which I will open and show you guys. So something really neat about this is it actually came with the battery in the package, so that was very helpful, so I don't have to worry about scrounging around looking for a battery. I just pop it in and it's all set to go, as you can see here. Next item we're going to look at is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. There's only 3 ingredients in this product, so that's pretty neat to see that. And it's great for chapped lips, fresh tattoos, scrapes, and more. And it comes with a $30 value. This is a choice item, so it's between this item or the Juice Cleanse Citrus Bath Salt. As I am an annual subscriber, I get to choose between the two. Here's a little picture of it inside the magazine, and we're going to open it. the next item we're going to look at is the Fea Candle Co. Reed Diffuser. This is in the bergamot and grapefruit scent, and it comes with a $35 value. So something really neat about the Fea Candle Co. company is that with each purchase of their product, they would give meals for those in need. So back to the Reed Diffuser, it was a choice item, so you could choose between two scents, the bergamot and grapefruit, which I have here, or the white tea and ginger. I went with this because I'm a fan of citrus, so I went with the bergamot and grapefruit. So here I am opening up the box. It comes with a few reeds there, and then the bottle of diffuser, which is the scent. It's very easy to use. All you really need to do is just pop the lid off and then pop the reeds into the bottle of diffuser, and then your home would start smelling like summer. Alright, on to the next item, which is the Hanua Hawaiian Skincare Malu Day Cream with SPF 30. So a little bit about this item. So this was a choice item. So it was 3 different products that you could choose between. There was an essential oil roll-on dual, a fringe airing, or this day cream with the SPF 30. I went with the SPF 30 day cream. The reason being is with summer around, I just want to make sure I protect my face, so I went with that, and it comes with a $42 value as well. So it's actually one of the highest ones between the 3 different items. And here's a little picture of it, and let's open it up. So I'm quite excited about this next item, which is the Alt Cooking Hub set of 6 silicone stretch lids. It was created to reduce plastic and food waste in the kitchen. Essentially what it does is replacing plastic cling wraps. I don't really use that right now. I use an alternative, the beeswax cover, which a lot of people do. But I'm quite excited about using these ones because of the circular shape. I can just put it over a bowl and not worry about, putting leftovers in a different container essentially. And this is an item that is included in every single CauseBox. So it's not one that you have to choose one over the other type of thing. It is included in every box, and it comes with an $8 value. So as I open the silicone lids, I just want to let you guys know that the plastic bag that it is in is compostable, as the company is known for reducing plastic. So the next item we're going to look at is the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So according to them, it's a new hydration superpower, which helps moisturize and smooth fine lines, leaving skin dewy and radiant. The serum comes with a $25 value, as you can see here in the magazine. And similar to the silicone lids, this item comes with every CauseBox. So you don't have to worry about choosing one item over the other, like I previously mentioned. It just comes with it as long as you are subscribed to the CauseBox. Finally, last but not least, the very last item that we are going to look at is the Pepper and Vetiver set of 3 nesting bowls. So similar to the lids and the serum, the nesting bowls comes with every single CauseBox, and it has a $36 value. So the supporting cause behind the bowls is the Malala Fund, as more than 130 million girls are out of school. So the proceeds from these bowls will be supporting the Malala Fund, which is a nonprofit working to ensure that every girl can learn to read and lead. Furthermore, the bowls are designed in partnership with LA-based artist Aaron Wolf. And as you can see through the magazine pictures, it features a blue-green hue and texture. So let's open it up and take a look inside. So these bowls are gorgeous in person, which features the blue-green textures and hue that I mentioned earlier. And each one is a different shape, but each one also has different colors on it. One thing I really love that it is microwave and dishwasher safe. One thing I do want to add as well is the silicone lids that I featured earlier do fit on these nesting bowls as well, so I get dual purpose out of these nesting bowls. I can use them as a salad bowl, dessert bowl, or cereal bowl, as well as using it with the silicone lids like a container. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Here's a quick picture of all the products that I received in the summer 2020 CauseBox. Let me know in the comments section below, do you subscribe to any subscription box? And what is that? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.